Today, we're touring the Riverview Suite in Casa de la Musica at Hotel Xcaret Arte. This isn't your average hotel room. It's a work of art where you can feel like a VIP and get cozy with nature. If you're ready for a luxurious, art-filled escape with stunning views and more amenities than you can shake a maraca at, stick around. The moment you step inside, you know this place is something special. First stop after you enter the room is actually the bathroom. But let's leave a little suspense and get to that story later. The main living area is next up. And here's where things get interesting. Instead of the usual setup with the bed up against the wall, it's centered in the room, and the king-size bed faces the sliding glass doors, giving you a direct line of sight to that gorgeous view. On one side of the room, there's this long countertop, perfect for spreading out all your vacation essentials. There's a staggered 3-drawer dresser, a wide mirror, a stool, and tucked underneath, the minibar. Yes, it's stocked daily, and yes, you can make special requests. But the real fun is at the glass top table across from the couch. You'll find an artist's palette and a paintbrush sitting there. Surprise! It's made of chocolate. Yes, it's edible, and yes, we ate the whole thing. The shelves directly above the glass table illustrate how Xcaret Arte's commitment to sustainability shows up in the little things. Xcaret Arte doesn't do single-use plastics, so instead, you'll find refillable glass bottles that get topped off throughout your stay. In the coffee setup, a Nespresso machine complete with pods and some beautifully designed ceramic mugs. In a snacky mood, don't forget to check out the basket filled with various treats and snacks. On the other side of the room, you'll find a comfy couch, a coffee table, and a cozy little chair with guitar strings woven under the armrests. This setup perfectly complements the artistic vibe of Casa de la Musica. Before we venture out onto the patio to check out this view, let's get into the power game. One side of the bed has a built-in bedside table with a power plug, USB Type-A ports, along with the thermostat to control your room temp and fan speed. There's also a control panel for the room's lights. Now, the other side of the bed only has a small movable round table, and there's some USB Type-A ports on the wall, but no power plug. So, if you're bringing, let's say, a CPAP machine or anything else that requires power, either snag the side of the bed with the power plug or bring an extension cord to run behind the headboard to plug in above the bathroom sink, like we did. Always be prepared, right? All right, now let's check out the incredible patio. You'll find a super comfy hammock, some pillows, and a perfect little nook to sit back and let that Mexican sunshine work its magic. Heads up though, if you're stepping outside, make sure the sliding glass doors are fully closed. Otherwise, the AC won't run with the doors open. So, things can get hot and humid inside pretty quick. And here's a little pro tip. Bring along some damp rid to help keep the room cool and fresh. We place one damp rid in the closet and another one in the room. Both of them were filled nearly 3/4 full after just 4 nights. Okay, time for that bathroom story. When they designed this resort, they debated whether the bathroom should be open to the room or fully closed off for privacy. In the end, they decided on a clever compromise. The toilet is enclosed and has a switchable privacy glass. Flick the switch and it goes from see-through to frosted. The rest of the bathroom, though, is open to the room. And let me tell you, it's a masterpiece. This jetted tub is just waiting for a nice long soak with bath salts and bubble bath calling your name. Seriously, this place makes it way too easy to just kick back and relax. The sink setup here is also impressive. It's a large, single basin sink that has double faucets. On one side, you'll find a lighted makeup mirror, along with some shelves stocked with shampoo, lotion, and mouthwash. Below the sink, you'll find a drawer holding the hairdryer, and another drawer full of toiletries, more than you'll probably need. So here's a visual of everything that's included, so I don't have to read a long list of things. Then there's the wet area. This shower is on another level. It's huge. You've got a rainfall shower head and a handheld one too. And there's this bench that extends from outside to inside. Towels are neatly stored on a little wooden shelf in the top portion of the shower. This bathroom is practically like a spa retreat. Across from the toilet, you'll find all the essentials in the full closet, with comfy bathrobes, hangers, an iron, and yep, even a scale. Let's be honest, we all know they don't include this for you to weigh yourself while you're staying at an all-inclusive resort, right?
A place where the beer flows like wine, where beautiful women instinctively flock like the salmon of Capistrano.
It's for weighing your luggage full of souvenirs to make sure you're within the airline's baggage weight limit. At least that's how I find comfort. There's also a safe for storing your valuables. There's some more dresser drawers, there's some slippers, and an umbrella, which can be handy during the rainy season from May to September. Now, let's say you're in the mood to binge watch some TV shows or movies in the evening. There's a large, adjustable flat-screen TV with an Apple TV. So, you can log into your favorite streaming services. And you also order room service right from the screen. All right, folks, that's a wrap on our room tour of the Riverview Suite. If you're looking for luxury, comfort, and a taste of authentic Mexican artistry, this place is tough to beat. Every detail here, from the artistic touches to the smart tech, makes you feel like this is a true getaway. And don't forget to grab a bite of that chocolate palette on your way out. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. And if you want to see more of our experience at Xcaret Arte, check out the link to see our full resort video in the description.